everybody. My name is Lynn Gray, and I'm a board-certified reflexologist here at Invision Health in Williamsville, New York. Reflexology is it's a science. It's based on the premise that there are reflexes in your feet, in your hands, and your ears and face that correlate with different body systems. When those systems become out of balance, whether that's physical, emotional, environmental, or spiritual, it can affect these reflexes and your overall health. With the gentle pressure of my hands in these reflex areas, it can actually help balance the body naturally. There are many ailments that we see here at Invision Health in the reflexology area. Some of these ailments include for people that come in with pain management, with migraines, with diabetes, neuropathy, or sleep disorders. Here at Invision Health, reflexology works hand in hand with our departments in primary care, with chiropractic, with neurology, with neuroscience, as well as our physical therapy and functional health. So I encourage you to try reflexology with us here who are board certified reflexologists. Again, it is not something that you find in the mall or at a pedicure place. So this is a functional health modality that can really help you move forward in your overall health care. So book your appointment with us today at 631-1516 and come and see what reflexology is all about. Look forward to meeting you.